Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is before high school. Correct. Number 2 is a really big country. Yes. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Does your daughter go to middle school? Does your daughter go to middle school? Middle school. In Canada, we don't have middle school, but many countries do. In between elementary and high school, usually 3 years. Now we can make a flashcard for middle school. Please make a card like this. Write middle school up here in the top left corner, 2 words. Down here, CTY 1. This means city, level 1. And over here the number 29 out of 50. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Middle school. Middle school. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Brazil is a huge country. Brazil is a huge country. Brazil. Brazil is a huge country in South America, near Chile and Argentina. Now we can make a flashcard for Brazil. The people in Brazil speak Portuguese. And remember, for Brazil and Portuguese, you need a capital letter. And the adjective is Brazilian. We have to add I-A-N. Please make a card like this. Write Brazil up here in the top left corner. The language is Portuguese, not Spanish. Down here, country 1 and the number 3 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Brazil. Game over. You did very well today. We have elementary school and then middle school before high school. And Brazil is a company or a country? Correct. It's a very big country. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a dirt road with a D you can drive your car on. Number 2, boring and bored. What's the difference? All right. And number 3, to make something really cold. Freeze. That's right, with an R. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say Brazil in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.